Flask education channel to watch more videos on Python using Flask. Today's video is all about Python using Flask connection of an API using request module. As we have gone through many videos on Flask using latest video here, symmetric key cryptography, asymmetric key cryptography, then pandas with Flask, then connection of MongoDB with Flask, Postgres connection with Flask, MySQL connection with Flask, and many more videos on Flask. Today's video is all about request and response. Let us go through the program in detail. Here I imported the request library which specify the URL of website we want to send. Here this is the website. It is a HTTPS secured website. I want to send the data using get request, and if the connection is successful, then 200 status code is there. Response content means this will be printed if the connection is successful. Response text in the sense the output will print if the connection is successful. The content are printed in HTML format of the web page and using response text. Then else part, if the request was not successful, then print the error message. I handle the exception try and except block occur during request. Try and catch block are used. So I will execute the program now. Yes, HTML contents of the web page are displayed because the response is successful, and here it is telling that example domain response content that is there. So I have successfully done with Python connection to API using Flask request and response. If you like this video, please share me in with comments. I have taken more efforts to create this video, so please subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more videos on Node.js, MongoDB, machine learning, Streamlit, Flask. Thanks for watching.